Welcome again to Budget with Brian. I'm at the Screwfix exhibition, but some time ago I did a film on what was the difference between Maktec and Makita. In those days, most of the tooling and tools were battery NiCad tools, and very largely they disappeared because nobody understood the name Maktec, even though it was made by Makita. Here we are on the Makita stand, and lo and behold, the Maktec range has reappeared, and this time with Makita on the tool, and it's called the MT range. We asked on the stand what the difference is between standard Makita products and these, and the explanation was these are entry-level, DIY, serious or professional use. They used older tooling, and Makita have been reluctant to throw that away, apparently, and they have this range of tools now called Makita, but orange, mainly corded, and with the MT logo. And if you wanted a Makita product, wanted to pay a little less money, maybe this is the range for you. So that's an update. If you were to go onto Google and type in Maktec, you'll find Budget's original report on Maktec right in the middle of the screen. Enjoy your viewing. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe. See us on Twitter and
Instagram.
Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian.